Mayong bungkag mga ka-Jarm, kauban ko ron akong duha ka bungkag host.
Marga.
And this is Heart.
And this is Mio, Jarm TV.
Ato ni Bay!
Hello guys, good morning. What's up mga ka-Jarm TV? Nandito ako ngayon sa flower garden ng Al-Masudi. Kasama ko ang aking mga co-host sa The Morning Show, Jarm TV. Nandito si Heart Vlog at saka si Marga Vlog. Ayan, ito yung mga yung mga purita kong mga co-host. Ayan.
Really?
So nandito kami ngayon, maglalakad-lakad na muna kami ngayon. So ang challenge kasi talaga ni
Marga, come here.
nagcha-challenge kasi si Heart Vlog na kailangan na talaga mag-English kami ngayon. So let's start. Hey guys, let's go.
Yes, here we go. Come on, come on. Here we go, here we go. Come on, come on. Hey, hey. EFMT.
One question for you regarding last night. So how's the party? How's everything?
Hello guys. Last night is the party sa akong boss.
Boss, party ng boss
the
niya.
party is very very
So
enjoyable.
how will you how will you describe
I
the
describe
party?
all people are full in the stomach.
Full stomach, ha? And what about you, Marga?
It's a word.
Yeah, last night I was at work and I finished around 1
So
p.m.
she didn't
very long time.
have the time to visit
Yeah,
in
so
Yes.
later we will
Yeah,
do what?
So, but there is leftovers. There's a lot of food, right? In
Guys,
your room?
after we are here in our
Ayan na guys,
in the garden,
yung English challenge, magtagalog
garden in
na daw
Jimmy
kami.
Flower, these two special VIP
Ata, magdakad-dakad na tayo, magdakad-dakad na
visitor.
tayo. While you are just talking,
we are
just
going
walking.
to eat the house today.
Ha?
Yeah.
You invited us to eat your house?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Because
Good.
because in the house in the eat of the house of the house of the food.
There's a lot of food.
my God.
There's a lot of food. Oh my gosh. Hindi talaga pwede yung yung mag-English challenge kami kasi mga bulol-bulol kami. Pero so far, we're trying hard. We're trying hard naman talaga kasi nga being a host kasi sa isang morning show, hindi po basta-basta yun, guys. At saka guys, ito po yung umpisa pa lang namin to. Ito yung first day ng banding namin bilang mga host.
We have
Diba?
some question for Jump 30
Ay,
for
okay,
this
go ahead.
morning.
What is your question?
What you feel today that your bike is what happened?
Flat tire.
Actually, I feel disappointed, no, because this is not. I never expect that this will happen to my bike. Guys, and I will show you my bike. You want to see my bike?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, what happened
Let's go
to
there.
the
What about this
tire?
one? You want to see?
Have visitor there?
No.
In the back.
Don't mind.
I don't want to interview that one.
No, I don't want to interview him. And guys, pupunta na kami doon sa kasi nakaparada yung
What
bike
are
ko.
you saying?
We are
Oh my-
asking permission to karga your
my
bike.
gosh. Hindi sila makaintindi ng
What
Tagalog,
are you
guys.
saying? I
Yes.
can't
Hindi,
understand.
guys, manunusbid ako dito sa mga kasamahan ko, guys, kasi nga
Yes.
habang nagtatagalog ako, sila naman, oh.
Sorry?
Did you hear that?
Sorry?
We are going after here.
Oh my gosh, manunusbid ako, guys. Di ako
we're
marunong mag-English,
hungry.
guys, eh.
Yeah, I want to drink water. I want to drink
drink
water.
Coffee and
Oh
then
my
we will
god.
eat
OMG.
fried rice.
Jump TV.
OMG.
Jump TV.
Right?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
want
yeah.
to request. I want to eat bangus.
You want to eat bangus? Same yesterday,
Where is
bangus.
Where is bangus?
Under in the
Oops,
market.
pause. Normal tayo. Okay, guys. Ito yung pilot episode namin sa gagawin sa gagawin naming guys, kasi nga itong this coming Friday,
Flowers.
pangit ang natin dito tayo.
Yan,
Kasi guys, this coming Friday, magkakaroon po kami first ever na morning talk show ni Jarm. This is your host, Jarm TV. Kasama ko ngayon ang aking mga co-host, si Mar Vlog, tsaka si Heart Vlog.
Yes.
Ayan. Sa Friday, abangan nyo po ang aming gagawing meron kaming morning talk show. Kaya ngayon pa lang, which is today, Wednesday today, no?
Yes, we
Oh.
have 2 days to go.
Kami, in-exercise po muna namin ng aming kung paano kami mag-start ng aming talk show, kung talagang gagana ba. Ayun, tingnan mo yan, no? Ayan, mga pasawa yan. Ayan. So guys, tara, punta na natin yung bike ko.
Okay.
Punta natin yung bike ko na naka-ano.
Here we go.
Okay,
come on.
ikot.
Ayan si, ano pangalan nito?
Si Scott.
Scott, you will not eat bangus.
Ayan guys, ayan yan, no?
Oh my
Ayan si Scott. Si Scott Redco, ayan na flat talaga siya guys. Yung problema namin to ngayon mamay pag-uwi.
There's a thorn inside.
Kasi medyo malayo-layo yung namin, binyahe namin. So dapat maka-hits tayo mamaya. Kayo ang kakausap para maka-hits tayo ng sasakyan pa uwi kasi ito di tayo pwedeng kasi malang taxi. Kunyari mamaya Marga, isa sa inyo ang magdala ng bike ko kasi dapat babae ang magdala niyan para oo.
Bakit ikaw? Mababae ka man.
Hindi kasi di pa man ako totally nasa 50-50 instead of 50-50 pa ako. Ito yung bike nila guys, ayan in good condition yan.
Saka si Bunny Bob.
Ayun
Si Bunny Bob.
Very good.
Ito dinaig pa ako ni Bunny
Si Bunny Bob.
si Bunny napatapo na siya, hindi pa rin siya na flat. Yung sa akin na medyo maganda na yun pang na flat. And guys, yan nakakainis na. Ayun na guys. Ayan nag-aabang kami ngayon dito ng mahits namin sa sakyan kasi para maisakay namin nung to si Scott kasi flat na flat talaga. Di kami pwedeng umuwi na ganito yun guys. Ayun Sila dalawa mamaya magdi-discarte kung paano sa dumidiskarte mamaya para maka-hits na tayo Ayan. Labas yung mga sasakyan mamaya kasi medyo malayo-layo pa yun, di ba?
Maganda talaga sa pakiramdam guys na MMTV, TJS, and one Al-Ain bikers
collaborating each other.
Walang grupo,
Okay guys,
wala lahat.
hanggang dito na po yung vlog muna natin
Thank you for
ngayon.
watching
Thank you
Jarm
for
TV.
watching Jarm TV. Please follow. Bye-bye. This is Jarm TV.
And Heart TV.
And more goes.
And we are the host of the Morning Talk Show.
Sana
Bye-bye.
all.